I honestly didn't think you were gonna cut them so fine and delicate. You really impressed me.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. What's up, everybody? I'm Matty Matheson.
And I'm Tom Gozney.
Tom Gozney, okay? It's a big day for everybody. Who's the special guest? I don't know. Tom, me, it's a big day. We're making a dish here. It's gonna tell the story of who Tom and who Matty is.
I feel like I should have no shoes on.
I never have shoes.
Mate, I love that.
You know, the first time I went to England, wild horses running around, every single restaurant seems like it's on like an estate, and it's like a scene from Robin Hood, and you're in the most beautiful place in the world.
Yeah, it is beautiful. It's like this, man. It's like this. It's like the woodland, man. Trees.
Yeah, you know, 200-year-old trees. One of my favorite things is like roast. Beef, lamb, pork, whatever it could be. It's spring here in, you know, Ridgeway, Ontario. We got a boneless leg of lamb here. Beautiful meat, beautiful Ontario lamb. We have green garlic still, because guess what? We still have it, because it's still spring. And the greatest thing ever is we're gonna make a green sauce that's very similar, could be even the same as the one we made for the pizza.
Which was amazing.
Which was amazing, and you loved it so much.
It was delicious, man.
And that's the thing, is now that Tom is gonna recreate that without zero instruction. He is gonna use his mind, his talent.
That wasn't what we agreed.
Well, you know, Tom, now we're on our terms.
Okay.
This is my world now.
I'm feeling the pressure now.
There's a lot of pressure.
There is pressure.
Okay?
It'll be good. I'll freestyle.
I know.
I'll be golden.
You're great. He's fantastic. I'm gonna sit over here and kind of just look at the lamb for as long as it takes for him to make the green sauce. Because there's
You're not doing anything while I do all the prep for the green sauce.
Isn't that nice?
So all the cameras are on me,
the
and you're
boss,
just gonna chill.
Yeah, the boss needs to work sometimes. Okay.
I'm
the
getting
boss is sitting over. We got a nice chair set up off camera. You know, he's sitting around. He's got a Diet Coke, sitting around drinking, having a nice day. And now Tom needs to work. The rosemary is just for the bottom of the pan.
Give me a knife.
Okay. What do you got? You got green garlic.
Got green garlic.
I'm not going to be completely quiet, okay? We'll help out a little bit.
So we've got the parsley, we've got the curly parsley from the farm, we've got the basil, we've got the green garlic, we're going to put some lemon zest in it.
Yeah.
We've got some anchovies, we're going to throw some salt, a little bit of olive oil, not as much as the last round, because we want it to be a paste.
Look at him.
Easy.
He's good looking and he's smart. Let's take some of those green tips and put them in with the rosemary.
Okay.
Because that'll make a nice little vegetal bed, very aromatic. Give him a little chop, throw him in the pan, and we're gonna nestle the lamb
with some rosemary.
With the rosemary, with the garlic. Oh yeah, cut those little tops off, get rid of those. Trash. Watch your finger. He knows how to, he's like, I usually cut myself. Tom Gozney doesn't cut himself, okay? He's a professional. Now he's gonna cut himself. Then I'm gonna feel bad. I'm not gonna feel that bad, okay? Gentle, gentle, gentle. Gentle, Tom.
Yeah.
So.
Right, we're gonna chuck the garlic in.
Okay, let's put it all in. What do you say, basil, basil?
Basil.
Basil.
Right, we've got some
Basil.
parsley. Basil.
Basil faulty. That's all I know, basil faulty.
Yeah.
Smell your fingertips. What does that smell like?
Oh.
Oh.
So fragrant, man.
So fragrant. Cooking shows, you really gotta tell them how it smells.
Yeah, I forget.
That's the thing, it's always like, it looks like, it smells like, and then you tell a story.
So you guys need to capture what Matty's built here with Blue Goose Farms. It's an honor to be here, man. I've seen it being built for the last 3 years and like all the work that you've put into this. And the produce here is absolutely insane. It was like on our turf last time. Now I feel privileged to be here with you, man.
That's the reciprocal. International friendship. You know what's nice? The breeze is blowing. Let me paint, the birds are chirping. There's a little bit of a brisk wind. But guess what? The warmth of the dome on the back is nice.
I don't know what I'm doing with this, man.
What are you doing?
Yeah,
you're good. Okay, so just a little. No, you're doing it. Now chop it up a little bit because you're not gonna be. Okay.
Yeah, is that good?
Well, let's just try a little harder. Focus.
Would you want me to chop it finer?
Well, a little bit. You're kind of a little fat. It's okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. Keep it going, chef. Like he's got the knee crowd. He's got that little knee up. He's got that little, he's activated his calf muscle here.
Mate, it's good.
Cutting up the lemon. Just a little bit of salt, and you want to hit it with just a little bit of salt. Give it a good pinchy. Oil's here. Here, I'll give you a little bit. There we go. Just enough.
Okay, show me.
Hold it like this. Okay? And then you go down the sides.
Okay.
And you kind of work it, and then you do a circle, and then down the sides, and then you can do a smash and muddle, 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 and then you do a little, you know?
It's looking good, man.
It's looking great. How we doing? You're still holding it like a pencil. It's not a pencil. Jesus. There we go. And then go, 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 go. There we go. Keep it going, keep it going. That's starting to look good. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. There we go. Keep it going. Yeah, there you go. Hammer. So I'm just gonna make some incisions. We have a boneless little lamb here. So we're gonna give it a little salt, fresh cracked pepper.
And so this is like a leg of lamb that you butterflied out.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay. No, perfect.
Mate, you're making me anxious,
Don't
man.
fuck us.
I'm not. Shall I rub it in?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just
well, yeah.
nice, like that.
Just yeah.
Is that good?
Nicer.
So we're saving this for later?
No, we'll use it all. You made the perfect amount, chef. Put it in there.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that. Now get it all in. Make it nice. Make it nice. Rub it in. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
It's beautiful,
Fresh
man.
green garlic, basil.
Absolutely beautiful.
Basil.
Basil.
We're just gonna roll. And we're gonna roll. And we're gonna truss it up. I'm gonna show you the easiest way. So what we're gonna do, under. And then we're just gonna do individual ones. And you do a double, you go under twice. And then you just pinch it off. And you just make a knot. Yeah, this one's no good. Tom. Okay, focus, Tom. There, not that long. Shut. Jesus, Murphy Jones, Tom. Hold on to it.
Mate, you're like...
Tom, once we put this into the oven, me and you are gonna tra-la-la-la-la around and get some stuff to make a little salad.
Okay, good.
Okay? Because roasted meat and salad is nice. We're gonna do a little oil. Now salt. Okay, salt. Salt. Okay, now pepper. 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 Oh, look at this. This is nice. You want a little oil in there?
I think so, man.
All
I
right.
think that's good. I'll give these a little toss.
Give them a little toss. All right, look at that. The thing about it, the gauze, making pizza, it's great. Everyone, you know, everyone's making pizza. Everyone loves a dough. Everyone loves everything. But the thing is, the versatility of the dome is what really makes me happy, is that I could make a cobbler. I could make, it's an oven, you know? At its essence, it's an oven.
Yeah.
Maybe you're selling it as just a pizza oven. I don't know. I don't want to make anybody upset at HQ. But let me tell you something.
It's so much more, man.
It's so much more.
Rubbed
Basil,
by the hands
parsley,
of men.
rubbed by the hands of Gozney and Matheson themselves into the Gozney. Look at that.
Let's go.
Okay?
And how long is this going to take to cook, Matty?
I have no idea.
Yeah, about half
You
an
know,
hour.
we're gonna see. I'd say like 30 minutes, and then we're gonna let it rest. We got it at a nice 440. It's a little high. We may have to like turn it down.
Yeah,
Once
yeah.
again, we've never done, we're learning as we go. We're cooking as we go. You go slow and just stay even, or you go high, create your color at the beginning, or you create your color at the end. You know, we'll see. We'll see. Right now, we're kind of just roasting it high, and then we're gonna turn it browning very quickly. Good.
Too quickly?
No?
We
Just
can always
perfect.
maybe-
Well, by the time we're done cooking it, we'll be able to tell you how we cooked it.
Right, we're going to skip and hold hands.
Yeah, that's it. So, we want a little mixed lettuce. You know, you got your shoes off, you're feeling grounded.
I'm feeling grounded. How long has that grown? How long?
This is about 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah, about 3 weeks.
That's insane.
You know, like look at that.
That's all we
Look
need?
look at that.
Mate.
It is kind of all, you only
Yeah.
need one. Do you want some turnip? We can get some
Yeah.
turnips.
Is that dill?
No, that's fennel. So here we go.
Here you go, bro.
A couple turnips. Give them a rinsey. They're real farmers. I think this is the first time I've ever touched a vegetable here. And then we'll get some chervil. Okay, and then we can even get some chard.
It's like the dream, isn't it? Like growing like this and cooking
the
like
best.
this. insane.
Hackaway turnips. Take a bite of it.
What?
Just take a bite.
Oh my God. What the?
Enjoy. What's it like?
It's like a pear.
Yeah.
That's.
It's not woody, you know.
No.
It's amazing.
Wow.
So that's what vegetables should taste like.
I swear, kids would eat vegetables if they tasted like this.
They would.
They're like sweet.
Adults would. Look at this. I just want to show you real quick. Can we get this out? Tom, look at this.
Yes.
This is beautiful, right? I think it's done.
It feels done, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels done. 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
And everything, like there's nothing burnt. Literally, we turned the temperature off, right? We had it at like 450, put it in there, developed a little bit of color, and then we turned it off. We're gonna let this rest. All the juices from the lamb, all the flavor of the rosemary and the green garlic. We're gonna make a salad, you know, Hackaway turnips that blew your mind. Cut them into like wedges, like orange wedges. Like,
okay.
Yeah, like 8ths, 4ths, 6ths, 7ths. Beautiful lettuce. We have some Swiss chard.
Like that? Is that good?
Yeah, perfect. Yes, exactly. Oh, chef, look at him go. You want to, here, taste this. This is the best part. Taste that.
Because this is so packed with flavor, isn't it?
Yeah, juicy.
It's just juicy.
It's robust.
Vegetables don't taste like this.
Cut these up.
What, like fine?
Yeah. Well, not fine, but a little bit. There you go. We're gonna put that in the salad too.
Yeah, when I went to Naples,
yeah,
I had a cherry tomato for the first time.
Oh.
It was like I'd never eaten a tomato before.
Yeah.
It was just exploded, man. It was like completely lights your mouth up, man. It was just.
It's crazy. This is crazy. We have a beautiful, robust salad. Scratch your ear. It's itchy. Now hand mix a salad. Just a gentle embrace. Just a gentle embrace. Just a gentle embrace. You want to pick it up and let it fall. You want to pick it up and like let it fall. There's a lot of turnip on that side. You want to get that. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I don't exist. I don't exist. I don't exist. See, that's the amount of salt you need to add to salad, everybody.
I never add salt to salad. I don't know what the I'm doing when it comes to making a salad.
You have to add salt to a salad.
And what about it? Do you want lemon?
Not yet, okay? Twist it up, twist it up. Let it fall, let it fall. There we go. Well, not on the...
Mate.
Tommy. Lemon, you go. A gentle reminder who we are, who we want to be. Every second we have an opportunity to be new and exciting. Shall we slice? Here, let's just try this. This is the outside. This is my favorite part.
The outside end. Ah, it's not perfect.
That's nice, right?
That's gonna be hot. Watch out, chef.
Just a little bit of a salad, not too crazy. I'm gonna slice the lamb. Ooh, look at that. I love that with the fat.
The lamminess in the bottom with the brown lamminess.
It's incredible.
That's the one, man.
Are these good? What do you think?
I don't know.
That's good.
That is good.
The roasted garlic with the turnip and the lettuce. There's just as much flavor in like this than the lamb.
Mate, it's so nice that it comes from 20 foot away.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. I think we learned a lot of each other today.
Became grounded.
Wow, that's good. Isn't that good?
Thank you, bro.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Best food.
Best food.
Best day.
Best day.
Best person.
Best person. Best oven. I'll say it, you don't have to. Best oven. I'm Matty, Gozney, Tom.
Matty, love it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm just a wish away.